Hey, so welcome back. Today I want to show you how you can make money online, and this is one of the best ways. So go to your browser and search pluffedhella.com, pluffedhella.com. So when you log into that, when you sign up, you see this group website. So click on create account. Enter username. Let's use online hustle. Email. Let's use our email. At gmail.com. Then enter your mobile number. It depends on which country is selected here. If you're from an international country, select others. If you're from Uganda, select Uganda. From Tanzania, select any country. Mine is Uganda. Then put the number here. Start with your country code. And if everything is wrong, then put your password, make sure it's strong, so that we just use this one. Then click on create account. So when you create an account on this platform, the next step is activating your account. You need a minimum of 20,000 Ugandan shillings or a minimum of $10 to activate this account. So just convert 20,000 Ugandan shillings into your country's currency, and you'll be able to log in into the platform. So click, then when your account is created, click on login, enter your details, and you'll be good to go. Yes. Then enter your password, then click go. So basically that's the best way you can make money online via that method. So if you want any more questions so what you can do more about it, you can just ask me here. I'll be able to give you all the best information about how to make money online. So that's one of the best ways to make money. That's one of the best ways to make money online. Bye.